Now that we have an understanding of the Ketch Policy Center, we'll drill further into understanding Ketch jurisdictions specifically. Ketch jurisdictions define what regulations your business complies with across the globe, all while providing flexibility to control data usage at a granular level. The jurisdiction section of the platform has two different views, a list view and a map view. The list view just lists out all the policy names created and the description, the regulations, and the rights that have been set up under that policy. For a more visual experience, the list view has also been replicated as a color-coded map view. As you can see, a majority of regions within this map are colored purple. This simply means regions in purple are defined as a global standard, which means a regulation hasn't been enabled there. Whereas the state of California and the country of France have various regulations enabled. Let's take a step-by-step approach to understand how easy it is to create a jurisdiction. I'll select Create Jurisdiction. The jurisdiction templates do most of the work and help Ketch customers pre-select the most common corresponding regions and rights based on the selected regulation of choice. However, keep in mind, all templates are completely user customizable. For this example, I'll select GDPR and ePrivacy, and I'll hit Next. Creating a jurisdiction consists of the following steps: entering some basic details, selecting the regulations, and selecting the rights. For basic details, you would name your jurisdiction, provide a code if you're leveraging APIs, and finally, create an internal description of some sort. Once I've entered my basic details, I'll hit Next, and I'm brought to selecting my regulations. I've selected ePrivacy and GDPR, and all the regions that GDPR and ePrivacy applies to have been pre-selected for me. I can pick and choose if I want these regions to be selected or not by selecting this icon. I can also add in additional regions by selecting this icon here. For now, all these selected regions look good to me. I'll hit Next. We're finally at the last step in creating a jurisdiction, rights. Below is a list of 6 various rights you can afford to the end user under the regulation of GDPR. The Ketch customer has the flexibility to pick and choose which rights they want to afford to that end user. Here's a description of each right. And finally, here is a fulfillment window that you can also update and modify as needed. Each right maintains a specific fulfillment timeline. This value is defined by law according to the number of days a business has to fulfill the rights request once invoked by a data subject. Once all of this looks good, all you have to do is hit Save and Finish, and you've created a jurisdiction.